Touching my feelings, stressing appearances. Feeling more solid about who the man in the mirror is. I reach for hearts through a speaker box to connect with strangers. Painting the page with the language, but off the mic I barely speak it all. I seldom see a flaw, but I need it all. Shit by the way life is lately. I feel the earth pill when I'm dazed, like I'm seeing stars. Got them all on the wave, it's more than just words to a page. Just feel like I'm hosting a reading log. I speak in tongues. No translation, I'm out the bottle, I'm breathing, leaving the beat, needing CPR. I'm disconnected, I feel the pressure, I need acceptance. I'm from the crevice, with all my homies on something special. They subtle flexing, we still they hella selfless. Chasing a bag, but it's good, they don't need the Franklins to keep it 100. I'm seeing shit down the barrel, I name that gun right America. Armed with the inkjet, I'm flaring up in my element. We losing brothers to bullshit, we need protection, cause real niggas is rare enough. I rewrite the narrative, I conquer that feet alone. Got the needle jumping like bungee, I'm in the field like I'm hunting. The work is dope off the burner, I'm calculated, I'm talking numbers, pray for longevity. Seek to somebody's deity, wrote this down as my therapy. Yeah, I'm deep in tone with my energy.
I slide away from you, get higher than a light, that I'm liable to hurt you. I just fall to the background. I just wanna lay out. Yeah. The things is sort of shaky.
Talk is dense, I'm trying to make sense of it. My stomach turning between this lit and the dissonance. I know some people that's feeling sick just existing here. Brain blister, been caught up deep in the thick of it. I lane switch through the fog, it's hard to see where I'm headed. But fuck it, ain't no turning back, the past is what we did. It feel like something missing, and I've been out here on an impossible mission. My hand down on myself and I smile to stay in the moment. But trying to stay on my feelings, trying to boost my subscribers, I'm trying to maintain the vision. People that know me closest live different than what they show me. It's hard to feel like they know me when I'm just scrolling through images. Truth be told, I feel pain, but I'm on the pinnacle. But chasing this music thing for a minute though. Know some good people that never see success, and here I am sitting worried about show appearances. With everything crazy, you still my source of peace. You filter out the lows, you give me what I need. We'll give you the world, but it don't belong to me. It's feeling like it's love, if not it's the closest I'll be.
I slide